Hello, Excellence family. Happy Monday. I am Christina Swingas, agent concierge for both Excellence Mortgage and Excellence Title, and I have the pleasure to meet with Madeline King, our loan officer over at Excellence Mortgage. Hey, Madeline, how are you?
Hey, good morning, Christina. I'm doing well, thank you. Nice to be here with you.
Well, we appreciate you taking the time to start the week off right. We have some exciting news that was recently announced. I don't know if you agents have heard out there that the Federal Housing Administration has made some changes to mortgage insurance premiums, which significantly impact either existing clients with that type of loan or potential future new ones. So, Madeline, tell us all about this. What's going on?
Terrific. That is a great subject to talk about, Christina, because it really does help borrowers to gain a little bit more buying power, buyer purchasing power with their prospective loans. Because as we all are experiencing, rates are, continue to go up, and that, hinders the ability for some to qualify. So FHA has decided to lower their mortgage insurance premiums, and that helps because it is a factor that's multiplied, and it's a percentage of what your loan amount is. It was always 0.85 anytime you were financing more than 95% on a purchase, and they have now reduced that to 0.55%. So it is a great reduction that will help borrowers either reduce their payment that they were planning on paying, or allow them to go a little bit higher to, perhaps reach a property value that they wouldn't have been able to reach before and still fall within the FHA ratio guidelines. So it's really great, and we're happy that they've made its adjustments to help those individuals that are very tight with the way the current market is. So, and that is going into effect on March 20th for any endorsed loans after that time. So even if you are already under contract, as long as you haven't closed yet, they will honor that. Once your loan is endorsed by FHA, which means when you've completely closed, your lower mortgage insurance premium will go into effect.
And
So
that's
it's
huge.
really something we're very excited about, and it's going to help a lot of home buyers.
I mean, that's huge because if, in my understanding, if they're not able to put the 10% down and they do have this mortgage insurance premium tacked onto their payment, that stays with them for at least 11 years while they're in the loan, correct?
Correct. So FHA, unlike conventional, is required for you to have mortgage insurance for at least 11 years if you put 10% down. So if you don't put 10% down, you don't have the option of removing your mortgage insurance premium ever, because you didn't go into the 10% down payment. But if you do put 10% down, then after 11 years, you can remove it. So a lot of times people were torn between whether they can do FHA or conventional, and FHA is a terrific loan. When you're putting 20% down, you want to go with a conventional, because obviously you wouldn't have to put any mortgage insurance premiums or private mortgage insurance on your loan. But FHA does help a lot of people get into their homes. And sometimes when you do have that 10% buyer, you can think, okay, well, now that's going to be able to alleviate it after 11 years. And fortunately, the reduction in MI premiums also reduces the MI premiums for all of the tiers on FHA. So if you start now with a 10% down payment, instead of it being what was before 80, it'll now be 50, as opposed to 3.5% down, which is 55. So it does continue to go down the more down payment you put on an FHA as well. So it's been lowered all through the tiers. So that's great for those who are possibly putting in the 10% as well.
Well, this is really great news. Anything
Yes,
else we need to know about this insurance?
Just that, you really need to obviously take a look at what, ratios are, and what the programs are that you're going to be able to fit into. Although this is terrific news, we still have other programs available out there that may fit better for you. So, you know, always be sure to reach out and have a conversation with me so that we can see what is the best product for your borrower, because, you know, everybody's path to homeownership is different, and we have plenty of opportunities for all types of buyers.
Well, we really appreciate the support, Madeline. For all of our Xcellence family out there, you know that you can contact us either at our direct line, 305-595-7355, and select the option for mortgage, or simply fill out or share the link to book an appointment with Madeline. I highly suggest that. It's great. It's a one-on-one appointment. Client selects a time that's most convenient for them. It does give them a list of items that they should bring to the meeting, and it really does alleviate, you know, calling each other back and getting phone tag and voicemail and whatnot.
Absolutely.
You can choose to do this by phone, if you're local, in person, or by Zoom. They can actually choose to apply, or if they simply want to run a scenario by Madeline, they can do a loan consultation as well. So I highly encourage you. It's excellencemortgage.com/apply. Please know we have a whole team here to support you. These programs and pricing, it's constantly changing. So please run it by us so that we can get some clarity for you. Madeline, thank you so much for always being there for us. We appreciate it.
Absolutely. My pleasure, Christina. Thank you.
All right. Well, we wish you guys all a wonderful week.